Nullify. Not made in China. 100% USA worker assembled. Quantity of 4 in each set. BedBand works with all types of bedding. No heavy lifting required. Simple bedside installation. Original BedBands stretch from 12 to approximately 18. Cordlock button allows you to control desired tension. Built with durable round elastic, nickel-plated clamps with fabric protector and unique cord lock. Dependable and backed by lifetime, no questions asked, warranty. USPTO patent number 9163697. Not made in China. We are a true USA-based manufacturing company who has earned the trust of sleepers all over the world, by offering a quality product and excellent customer service. We have never used mass discount websites to trick our shoppers with bribed customer product statements. We have a reputation around the world for offering the first and only patented sheet holder in this design and color. Unlike some dishonest sellers, we will not use any tactics to undermine customer trust and will continue to offer BedBands to all customers at the same price. Top reviews from the United States. Unique use. Using these to fasten the dining room tablecloth tilde. I decided to order the BedBand XL-18 extension, to use to keep our dining room tablecloth in place. We have limited space to the side in our dining room, and rather than using a normal size tablecloth with overhang all around, I decided to use one a bit smaller. I have been concerned for quite some time about someone accidentally catching the tablecloth overhang and dishes getting dropped during a holiday meal. Saw these and decided to give them a try, and I believe they will work as expected. I placed them at each end underneath the table and the remaining equidistant from the ends. Should make it easier to find tablecloths to be able to change out. Can even use a table runner on top of the tablecloth to further accentuate, decorate.